Hey, good morning, everyone. So, can anyone confirm audible or not? Can you hear me? Can unmute and talk for 5 minutes. Anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions so far? What we discussed? Anyone have any questions? So, did you try yesterday's one? Yesterday's program, I asked you to complete by using fetch as well as by using what? By using fetch, by using anxious. Anyone try? Unmute and talk. You stuck with something?
Yes,
Anyone tried? Did you stuck with something? Let me know.
Yes, sir, we tried.
Is working?
yes, sir, working.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Not about remaining people. You tried or not?
Yes,
Remaining
sir.
tried. Okay. So shall we move to the next level requirement then? Okay. Now I want to discuss some JavaScript topics. Anyway, less people join, right? All right. Go to uijavakit.com. Okay, which topics we already covered? Tell me in JavaScript. Which topics we already covered? First one, introduction. Variables and methods done, right? Array methods. Come on, array methods.
Yes, completed.
Done. String methods.
Yes, sir.
JSON.
Completed.
Get references.
Yes.
Take the reference document and get element by ID
Yes.
class.
Yes.
Styles.
Yes.
Okay, how to apply styles by using CSS. Okay, by
Yes,
using
sir.
sorry, dot style, dot color, dot red. Okay, that kind of events.
Completed, sir.
Event looping.
No, sir.
No.
Debouncing.
No.
No,
Throttling.
No.
no,
Ream.
No.
Async defer.
Completed.
Async await completed, but async defer different. Okay.
Okay.
Async defer. Okay. Oops.
Completed.
Create element. Document dot create element. How to create
Completed.
attributes.
Completed, sir.
Set time, set interval.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Browser storages.
No, sir.
Open.
Bombs.
No, sir.
Yeah, storage, session storage, cookies.
Not completed.
Okay, no problem. Next, call apply bind,
Completed.
closure,
No,
no,
sir.
No.
alert prompt to confirm.
no,
No.
No, okay. Alert prompt to confirm. Bobbing capturing,
No.
event delegation,
no,
No, sir. Only callback.
hosting,
Callback.
exception handling. Okay, these are not done right. Simple topics, but you should know. Okay, callbacks,
Yeah.
promises,
Yesterday only.
invite.
Async await.
Variables.
Yeah, completed.
no,
You have to
No,
check
sir.
it. Okay, you can understand. Okay, I will see. Ajax. Then right?
Only
Assembly
one, yeah.
request fetch. Regular expressions and generators. Not enough.
Sir, JSON, can you explain? JSON.
JSON. JSON object. Done right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, then these topics are pending from our end. These topics are pending. Can we add these topics somewhere?
Sir, promise versus observable that you isn't get copied.
Yeah. Promise versus attributes. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, let's start with browser storages. Very, very important. Okay, let's start with browser storages. Okay, say in general, if you want to store some data, what you can do? in general? If you want to store the data, what you can do?
Variable.
Yeah, programming, okay, program level, if you want to store the data, program level, if you want to store the data, where you can store? Program level, in the variable, right? Yes or no? In the variable or not? Okay, I have a form is there, registration form. If I click on the button, if you want to store the data, then database, databases you can use it or not. Okay, if you want to store some data in the file, okay, file also you can use it. Same like that, different storages are there. In my browser also there has some storage. Okay, if you want to store the data in the browser, yes, you can store. You can store it. Okay, in which case exactly we can go with the browser storages? I will show you one scenario. Okay, let me open page. Okay, this is my client. Is nothing but what? Client applications. Where are going to run? Client applications.
Browser.
Okay, in my client application, one button is there called as a get users. At the time of clicking on the button, I want to take the data from the database. How we can take the data from the database? How we can take the data from the database? Tell me.
Ajax request to the server.
You have to send a request and get the response. This is which application? Server application. This is what? Database. Now you can send a request to the server and get the response. So my request has to travel from here to here, here to here, and get the data, right? So traveling, it takes some time or not? Obviously, yes or no? Okay, how much time it will take? For example, 5 minutes. Okay, this much distance I have to travel. 5 minutes time it's taken. It should not take 5 minutes. 5 seconds also should not take, but think like that. 5 minutes. Okay, first you are in the first phase. To get the get users to load, how much time it will take? How much time it will take in the first phase? Come on, come on. 5 minutes, right? At the time of clicking on the button, my request has to travel here. How much time it will take? 5 minutes. After 5 minutes only, you can get the data or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. After some time, there has fourth page is there. I want to again get users. What you have to do now? Again, you have to send a request or not? Yes or no? Now, how much time it will take?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, right? Simple. 5 minutes. Don't think more. 5 minutes only or not. After that, okay, another page is there. Like that, 10 pages I required. Same data. I required users in 10 places. Users in 10 places. Okay. So how many requests you have to send? How many requests you have to send?
10.
10 requests. How much time it will take overall?
50.
50 minutes or not? For what? For same get user, same data only or not? Yes or no? Is it recommended one to get the same data again and again? Okay, send the request and get the data. Okay, you can get it, okay, but it's take like it is impact on your performance or not? Yes or no? It is obviously impact on your performance or not? Then what do you have to do? Can we find some other solution? First time you have to send a request, get the response. Why? Because first time you don't have any data. So in the first time you send a request and get the data, can you do one thing for me? Can you store the data in the browser itself? Can you store the data in the browser itself? Which data? Users data. Now tell me, after first time load, okay, that means in the first time load, after get the response, you displayed the response and the table is one action. Save the data in the browser itself. It is like one more action or not? Yes or no? So tell me, where is my data now? After first time sending the request, where is my data? My data is like in the tabular format displayed. Another one is what? Data stored where? In the browser also or not? Yes or no? If I go to the fourth page, already my data where it is? In the browser, in the database. Which one is near to you? My data is in the browser, in the database. Which one is so closer to you?
Browser.
Browser.
Browser, right? Then that within 1 millisecond, I can go and get the data or not. Is it required 5 minutes time? No?
No.
No, right. Okay, so 10 times, first time only 5 minutes time it is taken, remaining 9 times, okay, only 1 second, 9 seconds it is taken or not. Which one is recommended one? 50 minutes you want me to spend, 5 minutes, 9 seconds you want me to spend?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, 9 seconds only or not. That means what you have to do? Whenever you send a request to the server first time, you have to store the data in the browser also or not. So, how you can store the data in the browser? Yes or no? So, can we check it now? How we can store the data in the browser? That is the one. Okay, so in my browser, there has a browser storages are there. First, where I can find the browser storages in my browser? Physically, where those are available? Come on. Can I go to open developer console window? Yeah, developer console window. Where I can see that browser storages in which tab?
Application.
tab.
Application tab or not? Elements tab, console tab, source tab, network tab, application tab also there or not there? In the application tab, storage section, if you observe local storage, session storage, IndexedDB, WebSQL, cookies, okay, among these multiples, okay, we are going to discuss like local storage, session storage, cookies, frequently used these three. Got my point? Agreed? So, how I can store the data in the local storage, in the cookies, in the session storage? That is our next level discussion. Shall we? Okay, let's start. Listen carefully, okay? First, what is domain? What is domain?
Kalamschools.com.
Okay, here domain name is like kalamschools.com or not? Address. Okay, your application is running in your server. That particular application address. Okay, we are going to pointing with the domain names or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Here, what is my domain name? kalamschools.com or not? Okay, here, what is my domain name? Okay, visiontechnos.com or not? Here, what is my domain name? Google.com or not? Different domains. Okay, now come here. Okay, let me open our right click restricted here. Okay, no problem. Control. What is the shortcut? Alt F4. F6, right? F5. F12 is the shortcut, right? To open the developer console window. Okay. Go to console. Local storage. Okay. Or session storage or cookies. Okay. Let me open normal one. Are you able to see this? Inspect it. Yes. Yeah. Google. Are you able to see? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Let's go to local storage. Now tell me, is my local storage you declare anywhere? No, right?
No.
All right. If it gives me an error, you
No.
not declare, still you not get the error. That means what? That member is what? It's a predefined member or not? Yes or no? So local storage is a predefined member. Type is what? What is the type?
Object.
It is an object type or not? Perfect. You're right. So local storage is an object. How we can store the data in the object first? Tell me. How we can insert the data or update the data, delete the data, and retrieve the data from the object? Tell me.
Dot notation.
Dot notation and square bracket notation or not. So can I do one thing? Local storage is an object. I want to insert name equals to Sachin or Dravid. Yes. Can I click on enter? Now Dravid stored in my local storage variable or not? Where we can see the local storage? Where we can see?
Application.
Application tab. Now, can I go to my local storage? Can I go to my local storage? Okay, in my local storage, there has, what is this section? See this? HTTPS. What is my domain name? VisionTechnos.com. The domain name is what? VisionTechnos.com or not? Can I click on this one? Here, my name Dravid stored or not? Yes or no? Come on. Stored or not? Now, open the new tab, already there. What is my domain name? Domain name, google.com. Now, if I see, go to application, if I go to local storage, okay, in my google.com, my name Dravid there or not there? Will be there or not there?
No.
Not there.
Not there. Why? Will be there or not there? Okay, no problem. Can we check it? Can I click on the Google? See, not only local storage, not only Google, there has other domains also there or not? Can we check it one by one? There or not there? Check filter. There are?
No.
Not.
OGS, there are?
No.
Accounts, there are? Not there or not? So, can I conclude one point now? Local storage data stored, okay, the data for that particular domain or not? Agree with me?
Yes.
Local storage data stores the data for that particular domain only or not? Agreed with me, all? Now, you are in which domain? Come on, which domain you open? You are, come on, which domain?
Google.
Google. Okay, 20,000. Yes. Now go to my application. Now tell me, where my runs 20,000 is available? Where?
Google.
Domain name is what? See, multiple domains are there. Which domain? Active domain is what? Google.com. Can I open? Okay, just click on this Google.com. My runs there are not there. Can you check it? There are not there.
There.
OGS there are. Accounts.google.com there are not there. That means my data is always stored. My local storage data always stored the data for that particular domain only or not. All are agreed with my statement? Come on.
Yes.
Okay then. That is my first statement. This is applicable for remaining also session storage and cookies. This point common for all. My local storage data stores the data for that particular domain. Okay. Now, let me open new tab. Let me open new tab. Can I go VisionTechnos.com? Can I go to VisionTechnos.com? Now, my name Dravid is available or not available here? In the application tab, okay, see this. I stored the data for the VisionTechnos.com. I open the new tab, same domain name. Now my data is available or not available?
Not available.
Okay, can we check it? Available or not? Come on.
Available.
Available or not? Available. Now go to the same domain, google.com, inspect it, go to my application, data is available or not available? Runs.
Available.
Should available or runs available. Okay, now go to ndtv.com. The data is available or not available?
No.
No.
No, why?
Domain name different.
Always stores the data for that particular domain only. Here domain is what?
NDT.
NDT. You stored the data for which domains?
Google and Vision.
Google and Vision, but it is not either Google, okay, or Vision, right? So that it's not stored. Now close my browser. I closed. Okay, my browser gets closed. Okay, now can I open the browser again? Now I am going to open visiontechnos.com. Now the data is available or not available?
No.
Data is available or not? Which data? Local storage data available or not available?
Not available.
Available or not available?
Available.
Available. Okay, go to Google. Available or not available?
Available. Run.
Available or not? Should available or not? Okay, can I go to runs? Yes. Available or not?
Yes.
Okay, can I write some points now? Tell me. Local storage is which type first?
Object type.
Yes. You say
Object type.
object. Perfect. Object type. Or we can insert the data. Local storage dot okay, name equals to Sachin. Like this, we can insert the data or not. Okay. Always stores the data for a particular domain or not.
Domain name.
For a particular domain or not. Yes or no? Okay. For the particular domain or not. Agree with me? Stores the data for that particular domain. Okay. Open new tab. Okay. Tab, same domain. Same domain. Okay. Data is available or not available? Data available or not?
Available.
Available or okay. Next, close the window. Okay. Open. Okay. Browser. Okay. Same domain. That is available or not available?
Available.
Available.
Available or not? Okay. Shut down your mission. Shut down mission. Okay. Next, start mission. Start it. Open browser. Open browser. Okay. Same domain you can open. Now data is available or not available? Okay. Yeah, available. That means what? Once you store the data in the local storage for that particular domain, my data is always persist or not for that particular domain. How much time? Lifetime. Until unless you uninstall the browser or you clear the cache or not. Got the point? Until unless you uninstall the browser and clear the cache or not. Agreed about the local storage? Okay, local storage data, how much time it is available? What's your answer?
Lifetime.
It is persist. Always it is persist. Persist is available. It is always persist for that particular domain or not. How much time? Until unless you clear the cache or delete manually. You have to delete manual. Otherwise, still my data is available. All are okay? So for good?
Yes.
Okay then. Now. Session storage. It is which type? It is which type?
Object type.
Okay. Can we insert the data? We can insert. Any problem? Dot notation or square bracket notation, anything, right? Now where I can find it? Application. Which storage? Local or Cessna?
Session.
Session. Okay. Local storage, session storage always stores the data for that particular domain or not? What is my domain name?
Visiontechnos.
Can I click on this one? My location Mumbai there or not there? Okay. Now can I open Visiontechnos again? Now tell me, my session storage data available or not available?
Not available.
Not available. Can we check it? Okay, local storage data is available, but my session storage data, see, not available. That means what? for the same domain only, right? That means what?
particular session.
Yeah,
Particular session.
session, not that particular tab. Session is nothing but whole window, considered like a session.
Yes.
Okay, my session storage data always stored for that particular domain for the tab only or not. If you open the node tab with the same domain, is my data is available or not available?
Not available.
Not available or not. Session storage data always persists for that particular tab only or not. If you close the tab, if you open the tab, yeah, my data is not available. All are agree? Come on. Data. That is about session storage. Okay, only we are talking about insertion. Updates, delete, we'll see later. The difference also we can see. See, you know, if now local storage data functionality, okay, behavior, and session storage data behavior. Which kind of data you want to store in the local storage? Which kind of data you want to store in the session storage? Which kind of? Come on.
Of a particular user
I have a
related.
public data is there. Public data. Anyone can see, no issues for me. That kind of data where I can store. Which place is the right place?
Local.
Local storage.
Local storage or not. Sensitive data is there. Whenever I close my browser, my data I don't want to show anyone. Okay, sensitive data is there. Then the time better to go with what?
Session
Session
storage.
Session storage.
Storage or not? Session storage or not? Why? Because I don't want to make the data is available always. Just whenever you loaded that particular tab, then only I want. Okay. Agree with me? Come on. So for any questions? Now can I go to my console now? Local storage dot name equals to Sachin. What it means? What happened?
We update the name.
How to update the data? How to update the JSON data? Insert and update both are like same. Already key existed. My operation is what? Already key
Update.
existed. My operation is what? Update operation. Now in the local storage name already there. Then the time my operation is what? Operation is what? Update operation or not? How to retrieve the data? Come on. How to delete the data from the object? Deleted or not? Same object, JSON object functionality we can apply on local storage or not, or session storage or not. Both are like objects only. Agreed? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay then. Now, tell me. Listen carefully. Very, very important. This point is very, very important. Local storage dot name equals to Sachin. Which type of data you stored? Type I'm asking.
String.
String. So
String.
you get what? Output also string only or not? Okay. I stored string. I received also my output also string. Local storage dot amount equals to 1000. This is which type?
Number.
Number type.
Number type. Local storage dot amount. Output you are getting like which type?
String.
String.
String type or not? String type or not? Perfect. Local storage dot is he pass equals to true. Which type data is stored?
Boolean type.
Boolean value. Can I say local storage dot is he pass
String.
String type.
string type or not? Okay. Local storage dot, tell me some types, different types.
State.
Players. Players is which type? Sachin, Dhoni, Kohli. It is which type?
type.
Array.
Array type. Okay. So can I local storage dot players? Players. Whatever. local storage dot players. Now observe here, you are, see this here, I stored a string, I received a string, okay, agreed. I stored a number, okay, I received a string, but internally my number is there or not there without changing. Yes or no? Internally my number is there or not there? Come on.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
here I stored true, okay, received what? True.
String.
But internally my true, there or not there? But
Yes.
I stored what here?
Array of
But
Array.
this is what?
string type.
String, right? What completely type changed or my data changed or not? My data is an array actual, but it is turned to be like a string. Is it recommended one?
No.
One. No, right? No, right? Okay, then that time, if it is like an array, do you want me to store the data directly in the array format? If you store the data directly in the array format, the type changed and it is going to change, is going to store like what? Normal string or not? But I don't want to change the complete type. Okay, internally my array should be there. Then the time, which one is the recommended one? Come on. If it is like an array, don't change. Okay, don't directly insert an array. Can we convert this one into string? How we can convert into string?
Parse.
JSON.stringify. Okay, now
You too.
in my local storage, no players, observe. Now internally my array there or not there? See
There.
this. There, right? So which one is the recommended one? You want me to store directly array na, or convert into string and you want me to store? Now onwards.
Convert
Convert
into
into
String and then you can store it. Don't store directly an array in the local storage. Then the time it's completely change your type. All are okay? Okay. String no problem. With the number also it's okay, fine. It's Boolean value also it's okay, fine. But in the array you have to convert into string. Okay. Okay then. Now next one. Local storage dot player equals to, not players, player equals to name Sachin. Runs 20,000. This is which type? This is which type?
object.
Object. Now can I see my local storage dot player only player? See this? My complete data format changed or not? At least array data is visible, but now data itself not visible, right? Yes or no?
yes.
Then the time you want me to go like this? You want me to go like this? No. Then how?
JSON.stringify.
Convert your JSON into string. Okay. So how we can convert? Like this, you can convert it. Now, can I run this one? Now, my data stringified, but internally my data format changed or not changed?
Not changed.
Not changed or not? Agreed? So, conclude one point. My return type of local storage is what?
Object.
String.
String.
String or no? Return type of my local storage. Okay, local storage return. Local storage type is like an object. Returns local storage. What my local storage is going to return? The values. Okay, string or not. Local storage returns always string. Okay, whatever you pass, it gives me string only or not. Okay, but one thing you have to keep in your mind, arrays and objects, if you want to store, first what you have to do? Arrays and objects, if you want to store, first what you have to do?
Convert.
How to convert into string and then store it. Once you have the stringified object, how we can convert into normal object? JSON.parse. Yes or no? Reverse. JSON.stringify, you did it right first. After that, you can do like what? JSON.parse or no. Okay. The same statements are applicable for what? Session storage also. The difference between local storage and session storage is only one difference. What is that? Local storage data always persists. Session storage data persists for the tab itself. Other than that, remaining all are like same. All are okay? Come on.
Yes.
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 Okay, then. The next one. Okay, now this is like a JSON format we use, JSON format. So here, go to application, so these many are stored single, okay, within, okay, only one shot. If you want to delete everything, see this, there has one symbol is there, clear all. Can I clear it? Everything gone or not? Everything gone or not? Okay, then. Now, local storage and session storages having their own specific methods. What you know? Local storage dot set item. Okay, I want to set an item. Different syntax. Okay, if you want to set an item, how many inputs are required? Key value. What is my key? Name. What is my value? Sachin. Now see this. Stored up. Yes or no? Specific methods. If you want to update it, same method, but my data is what? Come on, update it like what? Dhoni or not? Okay, next. If you want to remove it, how we can remove? Remove item. Okay, key value required a key enough.
Key.
You know. Okay, it is like removed or not. Okay, now local storage dot all items. Okay, at a time if you want to remove, what is the method name? Clear is the method or not? So set item, remove item. If you want to retrieve the data, how you can retrieve? Get item. What do you want? Key you have to mention or not? If nothing is there, then that time the value is like what? Null is going to return. All are okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, this is about local storage and session storage. All are okay? Shall we go to the cookies? Shall we go to the cookies? Okay, let's start. First point common for all, as I said. First point is common for all. Okay, what is my first point? Local storage, session storage, cookies stores the data for that particular domain. That is the first point. Always stores the data for that particular domain only. Okay, cookies also same thing. So can we see the cookies, how it is going to implement? Okay, document cookie. Okay, cookies class is there. Okay, it is not related to us. Okay, cookie is inside the document object. This is my cookie. This is my cookie. Okay, this is my cookie. You got my point? This is my cookie. Cookie, inside the cookie, if you want to store some data, inside the cookie, if you want to store some data, okay, how we can store it? Inside the cookie, if you want to store some data, how we can store it? Syntax is different. What you know? Very simple. Document.cookie is equals to what data you want me to store? Name. What value you want me to store? Come on, search. Now, can I go to my application? Okay, go to my cookies. Go to my cookies. Okay, go to Vision Technos. Okay, name Sachin there or not there? Come on, name Sachin there or not there? Come on, syntax is what? See this. String, inside the string, you can put like a key equals to value. Inside the string, you can put like a key equals to value. Okay, perfect. Now, you are here, right? This data is available here or not available? Google. Available or not available? Cookies. Available? No, right? Why? The data is stored for that particular domain, right?
Domain.
Is it like same domain? No, right? Yes. Now, can I open Vision Technos again? Will it available or not available? Can I open the Vision Technos again? Will it available or not available?
Available.
Available or not available?
Available.
Available. Okay. Okay then. Now can I check it? Yeah, available. Available. Okay. Now if I close this one, okay, that means what? My browser closed. Okay, my window closed. Now can I click on enter again? Okay. Can I open Vision Technos? Data is available or not available?
Available.
Not available.
Not
Not
available.
available.
Okay.
Not available.
Can I go to my application?
Available.
Okay. Can I check it? Is my data is available or not available?
Not available.
Not available, right? So can we conclude some statements? Okay, perfect. Don't worry, I will say this. Now observe. If I insert the data, name Sachin, in the application tab, in the cookies section, it is visible. But if you observe the expires, what is the data? What is the value here?
Session.
Value is what?
Session.
Session is nothing but here the meaning of session means in the window. Window is treated like one session. In the window, how many times you open visiontechnos.com, always my data is available or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Whenever the window closed means what? Whenever the
Data not available.
the session ended. Whenever the session ended, my data is available or not available? Now
Not available.
session, yes, my session, name session is there. Whenever he closed this one, my session ended.
Closed.
Whenever my session ended, my data is available or not available?
Not available.
So my lifetime of this cookie is what? Session or not? If my lifetime of my cookie is a session, that type of cookie is what we can say, in-memory cookies. The lifetime of the cookie is like what? Session. That type of cookie is what we can say? In-memory cookies. Now, today's date is this one. Today's date is this one. Today's date is this one. Just I want tomorrow's date. So can I format this one? How we can format? How we can format tomorrow's date? August 6th. This is like SUN, right? Remaining all are same or not? Now can I copy this one? Copy it. Now what I'm doing is document.cookie. Location is like Mumbai. Don't keep any quotes in between. Next, we have one predefined key is there, expires equals to, what is that expiry time? Sunday, August, what? 6. Now can I click on enter? Now can I go to my application? Now observe. Location Mumbai, it is like expiry time Sachina, expiry time tomorrow. Na? Come on, expiry time is what? Session or next day? Next day or not? Now if I open visiontechnos.com, data is available or not available? Available. Why? Because by default my cookie is like a session, lifetime, so available. Now if I close this one, if I open, then that time which data is available? Which data is available?
Location.
My location should be available, and my name, deleted or not? Why? My name is like a in-memory cookie, so that it is available for that particular window only. But my location is like what? Which kind of cookie? It is like a persistent cookie or not? So that how much time it is available? Till tomorrow at this 10:09. Till 10:09, this data is available. In between, if you close the browser, if you shut down your vision, always that data is like persist. You got my point? Agreed?
Yes.
So there has two types of cookies are there. One is like in-memory cookie. Another one is what? Persistent cookie. In-memory cookie is what? That lifetime of the cookie is like a session. Persistent cookie means there has some expiry time. Some expiry time is there. That type of cookies we can say like what? Persistent cookies or not. Okay, can you read these browser storages now? Now you can understand.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go through that one. Remaining topics, what we completed, just complete those topics. JavaScript is important. Complete it. Next class is on Monday. Complete Ajax. Very, very important Ajax. Next class on Monday. We'll continue. Remaining things. Monday onwards, very, very, very important topic. It is like we are going to create an application. So far, we creating like what? Only forms, right? Only pages, right? .html. Now onwards, I don't want to follow that structure. I want to create an application by using Next.js. So Very, very important. Next 1 month is like very precious. Okay, don't miss next classes. Okay. Any questions, anyone?
Sir, what is Next.js?
Okay, Next.js is like a full stack framework. Okay, we can manage like your React as a React. Next is a framework on top of React they built. We can say.
Is that not Node.js?
Is it not Node.js? Means no.
Okay, Node.js is server, but
Node.js
Next.js
is a server
is
application. Next is like a framework on top of React they develop. By using Next, we can manage both client and server applications also.
okay.
It's a full stack. It's a full stack framework.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Sir, so from Monday, we are going to create React app or Next
Yes,
JS app.
Next.js application only, but internally Next.js people are using React only. React topics only we are going to write.
Okay, okay.
Okay, everything is like React only, but the skeleton and some features of Next.js I want to use it. That's it.
Okay.
So in cookies, how to retrieve and delete the data?
Okay, we are going to cover insert the data, retrieving the data in the end-to-end application. Okay, delete, you can try. It's a matter of just changing the query. That's it. Okay, insert and retrieving. We'll discuss.
Sir, I have shared to you WhatsApp group. So can you share?
Monday you can share. Okay, how many people also can join? This is the WhatsApp group link. Okay. If you are interested, then only you can join. Okay. Naresh ID side, no one can join. Okay, no one will join in this group. Naresh ID side. If you people interested, just you can join. Okay, otherwise leave it. Okay, Naresh ID side, we are not the person to manage this kind of groups. Okay, I shared. Okay, for your communication, if you want to join, you can join for healthy communication. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, then prepare well. We'll continue remain things in the next class Monday. Thank you guys. Bye.